behind me is the final 555 booked dot working. So yeah, and that's what we're riding. Because today's the last book day for 555s. Better known as Metrocars on Tyne Wear Metro. So we're going to, because they've been withdrawn to do as in cases are the Twitter 5s. So we're going to be documenting the 599's last day from I didn't get to do the South Hilton thing because I was coming hard, and we're just going to get on. So the unit has gone to depot for the midday for about an hour, then it will come out again because it went into the tunnel that side and just past the station. Because there's no way to reverse in the South Gloucester station to head into Stadler, so it's gone into the tunnel that side and it's reversed that way to go into the depot. It's going to spend about an hour in the depot with, here's a new 555 behind us. So to spend about an hour in the depot before it comes back out to work to St James, then South Shields, then Airport, then Regent Centre, and that'll be it for book 599 diagrams. We have made it to St James on the Tyne Wear Metro on the final duct class 599. It's now time to work the last ever duct St James to South Shields service via the coast. However, before we do, we need to wait for the regular class 555 to cross in front of us to use the other platform at St James. So we've made it to South Shields with the old platform just beyond us, and yeah, it's rather busy. Having got this is the last ever working, and this is going to Airport, which they used to do for about 18 months before they came out and did sort them around to do yellow to South Shields and green to South Hilton. So we're going to trace a form of working, and it's so hot that there was actually condensation on the window. So yeah, that's South. Yeah, train's getting a little train wash before it goes to depot for the last time. Yeah, there's a thunderstorm at the moment, hence why there's a lot of rain. And there's also been a obstruction on the overheads on the coast. So just as well we did the St James bit when we did, as we might have been stuck on St James. It's made, that's the airport, and that's the cab there for the metro. So yeah, it's not absolutely rammed, because this is the last ever working. So it's rammed, and this is the last ever working, and it's raining outside.
Metro train. For years, it's been faithfully carrying countless passengers and become a familiar part of our community. As we bid farewell, we thank all those who have driven it, who have maintained it, and we celebrate the memories made along its route. Thank you very much, everybody, for being my day. Passenger announcement, this is the final information and announcement to you on a 599. This train will terminate at Regent Centre. For all passengers, please leave the train. Once again, thank you. You have made my day today. You've been very loud. Thank you very much, everybody.
Regent Centre, 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 Regent. Regent for the Metrocars! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
So I'll do the end of the video in the hotel room, so that way I can show you the goodies we got. That's what the original ticket looks like, and it has 599 1980 to 2026. Then we also get them face magnets or key rings. In this case, it's a key ring, a Metrocars front, and they're giving out newspapers celebrating the history of the Tyne Wear Metro. And that's it for the Metrocars. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to J Ray Volunteer.